stood out with his natural stage presence, superb physical conditioning, and sharp communication skills, ultimately becoming the very first ever Filipino to capture the crown since the pageant's inception in 2017. His victory is a monumental milestone for Philippine male pageantry, commencing his place and cementing his place as an inspiring global ambassador for fitness, leadership, and national pride. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a grand welcome. A round of applause for our reigning Mr. National Universe 2026, Jose Carlos Valas. Yes. And a big round of applause once again for our reigning Mr. National Universe 2026.
And the crown is here. I believe it's the first ever Mr. National Universe for the Philippines, right? Yes, yes. So, how are you feeling right now, sir?
I feel very hungry now.
Well, I saw you ate earlier na. Nauna ka na actually, di ba? Pero
Appetizer lang muna yun.
later, for sure, you'll eat more, right? So, when did you arrive here in the Philippines, sir, nga pala?
June 25, I think. Tapos marami pang travel around the world. And yun, one of the prize pala yun sa Mr. National Universe. And of course, meron pang napakagandang prize sa kanila, which is yung wardrobe ko, no? Sponsored yun for at least 1 year. Thank you so much for Paul Semira, di ba?
Yeah.
So yun, sana abangan nyo pa yung mga travel ko around the world, di ba?
Ano pa ba ang mga aabangan natin kayo sir bukod sa mga travel around the world?
Yun, abangan nyo pala next week, meron pala kaming charity for sa Thailand sa mga abandoned animals, no? So, yung place na yun is abandoned. Pinasara siya ng government kasi baga may black market doon, binibenta nila ng tigers, no? So, yun, we are going there to support the animals.
So, when will you fly to Thailand, sir?
July 23 to 29 po. Tapos, yun, na-invite po tayo sa fashion show sa may Vietnam, no? July 30 hanggang August 2 po.
Medyo plakadong-plakado yung ano natin, ha? Schedule natin for tonight. Well, anyway, may we call Sir Miko again? So at least have a photo opportunity with our...
Grabe talaga sila. Like, for example, yung co-candidate ko na sa Philippines, grabe yung katawan, sa Spain, grabe yung face yun. So, hindi po ako nakakapag-isip ng ganun. Pero tinake ko po yun as an opportunity para sa akin, para mas pa po ako maengganyo, no? Para lumaban, para ipaglaban ng Boracay Island, no? And syempre, I'm very happy na ako po yung nanalo, no? Yeah.
Yes! Tradition, may mga gusto ko bang ikwento behind the scene na pangyayari?
Marami po eh.
Moment, ano yung pinaka-highlight or gusto mong i-share sa amin?
Ay, yung pinaka-happy na nangyari po doon is yung nagkayak po kami. Siyempre, yun, nagkaroon po kami ng teamwork doon ng mga co-candidates ko. Very happy kasi nakapaglaro pa kami ng motor na 4 ba yun. Tapos naglaro-laro po kami sa beach. Tapos yun, very happy nga po talaga. Kasi nung una, strangers po kami eh. Tapos naging brothers, tapos naging family po. Kaya super happy po, memorable talaga yung experience sa Mr. National Universe po.
Thank you so much.
Hi JC, congratulations. Salamat sa karangalang binigay mo sa ating bansa. Gaano kahalaga sa iyo ang koronang ito at para sa bansa natin na Pilipinas?
Very po yan, important sa akin kasi it shows me na I am the winner. Siyempre, it's an honor and responsibility to wear a crown, di ba? So in my whole journey sa Mr. National Universe organization, no? I will do my very best and lalo-lalo na we share the same mission and vision as a philanthropist, no? So yun, I am very happy to be with them.
Maraming salamat
Thank
and
you so
best of luck to your reign.
Thank you so
May isa pa
much.
ba akong
Okay, no?
Nabalitaan namin na bukas ay lilipad ka sa
yes.
Boracay. Maaari bang maikwento mo sa amin kung bakit ka pupunta doon at anong kahalagahan nun para sa iyo?
Eh syempre po, aampunin na daw po nila ako sa Boracay as kaganda na daw po yan. So yun, may courtesy call po ako dun for tomorrow ng 3 p.m. So I'm very happy kasi tinanggap po nila ako dun, di ba? Yes, i-adapt na daw po nila.